Hi everybody, today I will show you how to search for messages on WhatsApp. So let's begin. There are two ways to search for messages on WhatsApp: searching across all your chats at once or searching within a specific chat. To search across all your chats, open WhatsApp, tap on the search icon at the top of your main chat list and type in any keyword, name or phrase you're looking for, and WhatsApp will pull up all matching results from across all your conversations. For example, if I type in this keyword, okay, all the chats with that keyword will show up here. If I click on any chat, it will instantly take me to that specific chat. So tap on any result to jump straight to that message in the chat. Now, if you want to search within a specific chat, open that conversation, tap on the three dots in the top right corner and click on search. Now, type in your keyword and click on search, and WhatsApp will highlight every matching message inside that chat. Use the arrows next to the search bar to jump between results one by one. So that's how you search for messages on WhatsApp. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.